Hello guys, welcome to my new tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be showing you how to set custom in-game status on your Steam account. So what are you going to do now is simply go to your Steam launcher and navigate to add a game, then add a non-Steam game, and then choose, for example, okay, it's browsing, okay, so find, for example, some low usage game, and for example I will be selecting, let's see, for WordPad, and yeah, then find it, search WordPad, right click it, properties, and then you will name it any just name it as you wish. And what you're going to do now is just simply launch it and minimize this background, and here in non-Steam game subscribe to Allow Me Tech. So yeah, you can do that with any low usage, but make sure to have WordPad, because I think everybody has it. And yeah, that's it. It's a really easy tutorial, and I hope you guys liked it, and please subscribe. I'm daily uploading, and yeah guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Have a nice day.